So we are back in Vagator and this time in an Airbnb. It has some really gorgeous antique furniture in this house. The kitchen. And it's pretty well equipped, I must say. It has a huge pressure cooker and as many number of cups as you might need. So it's pool time now. I'm going out to the pool. It's a very pretty pool and I'm happy we finally found a pool after so long, which is nice. This Airbnb is located in a very prime part of Vagator, and yet it's surprising that it never caught our eye before. So now we're going out to this place called Smoke that's in Chapora, and Smoke has been suggested to us by the owner of this place, of this Airbnb rental where we are at now. And I think Smoke specializes in steak, beef and pork burger, and the burger is what I'm actually going after. And this time might be too early for dinner, like look at how it looks like now. But we don't care because we are hungry and we can't wait to get going and we can't wait to get eating. These routes which you don't normally take, you know, discovering places which you don't normally see. So this time around, while going to Chapora, we decided to take a lesser known route, and it was a good decision because we saw how Vagator actually looks like behind all of that facade that's on the streets. And we went past some houses, residential areas of Vagator, and past some jungles and all that. All the while being guided by Google Maps. I hope Google Maps is not misleading us, because it has misled us in the past a couple of times.
Apart from that,
That is not easy. You might as well have it and tell me how it is. These are very succulent looking porkers. The best caramel pudding in all of Goa from my experience, and which is why we are back here. Custard and more. It looks like worth a shot someday, right? Go on through this. Good morning. It's our second day in this Airbnb, and now I'm gonna make some breakfast. Let's open this chest of secrets already. I'll need, like, this needs to be thawed. Don't we just love the view from the kitchen? That's the Vagator street that leads to the beach. Ah, big milk. I think every household has had these pans, saucepans. I think this size looks familiar, right? Sir, path to come from, right? Just look at the view. Yeah. So many people in this beach today. Om Cafe in Osran Beach is totally not the kind of place that will grab your attention when you walk past it. But if you're looking for a place where you don't want to be disappointed at in Vagator Beach, Om Cafe would be the place, and for sure try out their fish thali and their piri piri masala prawns. It's our last evening at Vagator, and today we are planning to go to Anjuna beach, place where we should have gone before but we just couldn't, and since it's our last day we thought let's wrap it up there tonight. Almost 2 years and so much has changed around here. This place used to be like an unpaved road before, and now it's turned to like this, street of sorts, right, Ron? It doesn't feel like you're walking through an unpaved road. This building like right behind me, it did not exist 2 years ago, and I don't like it.